sometimes been outside of the world. I think if there's no color in our lives, what it would be like. I am proud that INKBANK was born for color and came for people's colorful life. I had been working on inkjet inks research for more than 20 years in the Fortune 500 companies in the United States. I am responsible for the R&D of inkjet main raw materials and inks, and provide inks to OEMs of the world's leading machine manufacturers. I have been in INKBANK for 10 years. With the continuous improvement of living standards, the applications of ink have become more and more. Which has accelerated our R&D and learning steps. At the same time, we have seen a good development prospect. At present, the main products developed by INKBANK include water-based dye inks, water-based pigment inks, sublimation inks, digital textile pigment inks, UV inks, and eco-solvent inks. 4 R&D departments are responsible for product development. During the process of R&D, we must not only ensure that the R&D speed is fast, but also ensure that each product R&D can be refined and refined. In order to ensure the quality of our products, we use high-end equipment imported abroad to make more than 20 item selection and conduct hundreds of times of tests on each raw materials. We adopt advanced ERP management system and Six Sigma quality management measurement to ensure that each batch ink produced is of stable quality and meets customer requirements. We also create ink product files that retain samples and records for each batch of ink. Stable quality ink is the most important thing for our sales team. I have been working in sales department of INKBANK for more than 10 years. No matter what type of customer, INKBANK's R&D and production can meet their requirements. Therefore, INKBANK has always been favored by customers. When it comes to the reason why the INKBANK has lots of achievements till today, the most important thing is the stability of the team. The stability of the core personnel benefits from the good culture atmosphere of the enterprise and the realization of the self-value of the workers. Every day, each person of INKBANK is using his wisdom and sweat to bring color to life. INKBANK, for a colorful world.